Hello everyone, welcome to this video on how to manage pinboards in Bold BI. Let's see an overview of Pinboard. A pinboard is a collection of individual widgets from various dashboards. Users can pick a widget from a dashboard and pin it on a pinboard, and that pinned widget can hold filtered or unfiltered data. Any whole dashboard can also be pinned to a pinboard. The pinboard shows ideas from your favorite dashboards, which includes the dashboards of people you follow, or interesting widgets you select so you can get inspired right from your pinboard screen. Let's explore the pinboard functionalities one by one. You can rename pinboards using the rename option here. You can duplicate pinboards like this. Next, you can delete pinboards by choosing this delete option. The Set as Default Pinboard option can be used to both set and remove the default pinboard. To pin a widget to your pinboard, hover over any of your widgets in a dashboard preview. Then, click the Pin Widget icon. It will navigate you to the Add Widget to the Pinboard dialog box. You can select and pin your widget to an existing or new pinboard, then, you'll see the pinned widget here. Next, to unpin a specific widget, choose the widget and click the Delete icon. To change the layout of the pinboard, click the Edit Layout icon and use the available layout options you see here. You can drag and drop the widgets between the columns of the pinboard. You can also navigate to the dependent dashboard of a pinned widget by hovering over the pinned widget and clicking the Go to Dashboard icon. It will open the dependent dashboard in a new tab. Next, you can navigate to another pinboard by clicking the pinboard name in the top left of the header section and then selecting the pinboard you want to display. That is all there is to it. In this video, we have covered the pinboard functionalities and their behavior in the Bold BI application. Please leave a comment with any questions you may have or if there are any additional features you would like to see in Bold BI. Thanks for choosing our product.